Hi, my name is Marine. I'm a teacher and the founder of the Online Rock Lessons Piano Academy. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play one of the famous rock riff of all time. And this is actually the first rock riff I've learned on the Hammond organ. And this is going to be Smoke on the Water by Deep Purple. Alright, so Smoke on the Water is actually in the key of G minor. So we're going to have B and E flat at the key signature. And for this riff, we're going to be using the G minor pentatonic blues scale. Let's just recap on that scale. So it's G, B flat, C, C sharp, D, F, and G. So basically the formula is 1, flat 3, 4, sharp 4, 5, flat 7, and 1. Now for this, I'm going to be using the 4 first drawbars, no percussion, no vibrato chorus, and no Leslie for the introduction. I'm currently using the IK Multimedia plugin Hammond B3-X, and I'm just adding a little bit of distortion to make it sound more just like Jon Lord. I love that plugin because there's already many presets done for you that sound amazing. So if you're interested, I'm going to drop the link just below in the description for this plugin. All right, so let's dive in. So the riff is going to sound just like this. All right, so as you can see, the top note here is actually from the minor pentatonic blues scale. But what Jon Lord did is that he added the inverted fifth below the note of the scale. If you're interested in the inverted fifth, make sure you watch my tutorial on that. I'm going to drop that in the description below and in the card just in the top right here. All right, so now what we're going to be playing for Smoke on the Water is D and G, F and B flat, G and C, back to D and G, F and B flat, going up, G sharp and C sharp, down to G and C, D and G, F and B flat, G and C, back, down. That easy. Again, 1, 2, 3. Just like that. Up, 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 down. And there you go, you have the Smoke on the Water riff. It's ready to play. Now, if you're a fan of Jon Lord just like I am, make sure you check out my brand new course on Jon Lord. I'm talking about scales, licks, comping, solos, and how to use all of that in your own playing. I bet you're gonna love it. So it's already available at onlinerocklessons.com. I'm gonna drop the link just below to that course. So make sure you check it out. All right, have fun with that and have a good practice.